In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a trust badge to your Wix product page. First, let's start by going to the Wix website. Here, you'll need to log in using your personal or business account details. After successfully logging in, the next step involves selecting the specific site to which you wish to add the trust badge. Next, once you have chosen the website, you should look out for the option marked Add Apps. You will typically find this option on the left corner of the website's navigation bar. Click on the Add Apps button to proceed. After clicking on Add Apps, you'll be redirected to the Wix App Market. Here, you can find a wealth of different apps to enhance and improve the functionality of your website. There's a search bar at the top, and that's what we're interested in for this tutorial. Tap on the search bar and type in the words Trust Badges to continue. As soon as you input Trust Badges into the search bar, the system instantly retrieves results matching your query. Scan through these results until you spot an option that states Trust Badges. Upon clicking on the Trust Badges option, you will immediately see a button labeled Add to Site. Click on this button, then proceed to hit it again if prompted with the same option. Next, agree to the terms and conditions stipulated by clicking on the Agree and Add button. Performing this action will allow the trust badges to be automatically added to your website. Now that the trust badge has been added to your site, you are free to customize it according to your liking. For instance, you can choose the specific badges you wish to display on your site. You might prefer to have badges from Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, or a secure checkout badge, depending on what you are offering on your product page. Furthermore, you can modify the badge's design and color to align with the aesthetic of your website. The page allows you to choose exactly where the trust badge will be displayed. Please keep in mind that the app provides an option for you to include the badges on the product pages. Finally, the app will automatically add the badge section to all your product pages once you've made your selection. To complete the process, you need to save and publish your site. This way, the changes you made, including the addition of the trust badges, will take effect. Remember, a trust badge can significantly increase confidence in your products and your business as a whole. They provide assurance for your customers that their transactions are secure and that their information is safe. So, you see, adding a trust badge to your Wix product page is not only necessary, but crucial for your online business success.